guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my September update for Project Panopoly. So if you want to see all of the items I've been working on and the 3 that we're bringing in, let's go ahead and get into it. If you have not been following along with this project, it was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner, who will be listed in the description box. This is a game board Monopoly inspired project where you use dice to travel around the board and just do what the prompt tells you to do. You were to start with 5 prompts and it's rolling style from there, collection specific goals. So, the item that has been in here the longest is lipstick. This is from Melt and I had a 20 use goal. It is the shade Earthling. And in those 20 uses, it completely broke, but I do have disposable lipstick applicators, so I could still use it. That is the shade there. But yeah, it broke, which this is my favorite lipstick. If this was not my favorite lipstick, I would declutter this, but because it is, and it does still smell like cake, I will continue to use it. But yeah, the doe foot literally just ripped completely off. And I'm so mad about it. I used it 5, 6, 7, 8 times in August, and I met my goal on August 22nd. So, that is a goal met. Then we have a powder product, which was also a 20-use goal. So I brought in my Natasha Denona My Mini Dream blush, which looks like this, and I used it I had a 10 use goal. Excuse the heck out of me. I was like, excuse me. I had changed that. I had a 10 use goal. I used it the last 2 times in August to hit my goal on the 5th of August. So, that is a rollout. And while we're talking about rollouts, I might as well just tell you my last rollout. Here, why don't these go all the way across? And our last rollout here is going to be for the color brown, which had a 20 use goal, and I pulled in my Ace Beauty contour stick, and as you can see here, I will actually roll it all the way up. That is all that is left of it. It is the shade brown. It is a contour stick. So I used it all 20 times in August, and I hit my goal on the 28th of August. So that is a goal met, and those are our 3 rollouts. So now we're going to talk about our progress products. So I put that up. We have for the color green, and I brought in my Too Faced Diamond Fire highlighter. It does shift green, and this has a 10 use goal. I've used it 6 out of 10 times. This should definitely be a rollout for next month. We have gold. I brought in, as you can see, the cap is gold, the writing is gold. This is from Jeffree Star, and it is the lip liner in the shade Calabasas. It actually could use probably another sharpen here in like one more use. It's this beautiful pink. I have a 10 use goal on this guy, and I've used it 4 times. If I buckle down, this could be a rollout next month, but that'd be cutting it close, because me and lip liners, though I use them now, I don't use them 6 times in a month is asking a lot for one singular lip liner. And then for the last product I was working on, we had for nails, and you guys agreed that bringing in a lotion was a super smart choice. So this is from Clarity Cosmetics. It's their Clarity Skin line, and it's their creamy skin lotion. It's got shimmer in it, which I hate, so I'm very happy to get some work on this. And I got 15 random uses on this guy, so I'm at 6. I've used it 6 times. What stops me from using this more is the glitter in it. But it is a really nice lotion. It smells nice. It feels nice. It just leaves glitter everywhere. So, but I'm getting my use. This should be a rollout for next month. I should be able to get my remaining 6, 7, 8, 9 uses. So, yeah. So let's roll up the roll-ins, which I pre-did because I want to see if I can make it bigger and take up the whole screen. So if I can't, then I'll just go back to normal next time. So I rolled a 6 as we travel around the board here. And I got least used product, which is fine. And our random use wheel gave us 15 times use. Which is going to be interesting. And then we went and we rolled a 7, which gave us the challenge wheel, which I love getting the challenge wheel. And our challenge wheel gave us clean makeup. So I go ahead and I scroll right on down here, because I needed to figure out the description, and that just means to wash your brushes, wipe down your packaging, sanitize your products, what have you. And I chose, we're going to wash my makeup brushes. And then I rolled an 8, 6, 7, 8, which got us to just visiting. So you got to roll again. So then I rolled a 10, big numbers here, which, if you don't know, the Monopoly board is 10 by 10. Just so you're aware when we get here. So that puts us at just browsing, which is roll again. And then I get a 10, which is go to jail. And if you don't know what go to jail is finish a product. You broke your no-buy, you have to go to jail, and when you go to jail, you have to finish a product. So, now that we're done with that, and hopefully that worked. If not, it was just me rambling over my... I mean, either way, it was me rambling over... I mean, I'll cut out the... So first, the challenge wheel, I already said, for clean makeup, I'm choosing to wash my makeup brushes, because I really don't want to have to sanitize all my makeup. That's just, even though it would be a good thing for me to do, I haven't done that since the beginning of the year, so it would be good. I don't want to take the time to do that. I just don't. I don't want to wipe down my stuff. I could have chose to wipe down my desk and everything, but I need to wash my makeup brushes, so I'm putting that as a to-do to wash my makeup brushes. For my least used product, I was picking between 2 items for me. It was either going to be a liquid eyeshadow, because I don't use my liquid shadows. I have 4 of them currently. Or a lip gloss, because I have 2, technically 4, but to me those are liquid lipsticks. I have 2 Supreme glosses from Jeffree Star, and they are so pigmented. Like, yes, they're a glossy formula, but they're basically a cream lipstick, in my opinion. They're not a gloss like this is a gloss. So, this is from Jeffree Star. This is the gloss, and it's in the shade Shockwave, because I just figured it'd be easier for me to get uses on a gloss than it would be a liquid shadow, because I want to have rollouts in this project. And I've only used this product once. So that's the shade Shockwave. And thank goodness I picked a gloss, because I then got a random use of 15 uses on that guy. And last but not least, my go to jail. I'm so mad. But I had a product that was perfect for this prompt because I am close to finishing it anyway. I have my Stila lip oil in the shade Moon Dust. And I know what you're saying, Andy, that's halfway full. But it's really not, because that is with the giant doe foot applicator in it. That is realistically how much product is in here. I'm about to have to take the doe foot applicator out of this because I'm getting to the point where I'm not getting, because normally I don't take doe foot, the stopper out of it. I don't normally take the stoppers out anymore because it's just messy and everything, but because this is a go-to-jail product, I'm gonna take the stopper out and I'm gonna use up every little bit that I can use up of this product. Also, I really love this lip oil. I found these, they sell these on Amazon, they're $24. I got this from Marshall's for like $9. I'll have to go back to my Marshall's and see if they have more of them because I really do love this. Oh, I've got product caked on the outside. Around the outside. But, anywho's, here, let me give you a swatch. It's just clear with some silver shimmer in it. It's in the shade Moon Dust, which I would assume would be similar to, like, their Moonstone. When I first saw it, that's what I thought it was in the shade Moonstone. But it's not. It's in the shade Moon Dust. But, anywho, I'm going to have to take the stopper out soon because I'm getting barely any product on this giant doe foot applicator. Because as you can see, only like a third of the doe foot is sitting in product now. It's basically only the tip of it. So, next update, if it's not finished, the stopper will be out for sure. So, those are my 3 items. I will for sure have this rolled out. I will for sure have the lotion rolled out, at least I think so. And then I'll for sure have my makeup brushes washed. So, I think we'll be doing pretty great. But that is going to do it for my September update. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!